All right. I'm trying to figure out if this is working. Uh, Let me know if this is working. This laptop, with this laptop, I don't have any like my sound effects or anything on it. I don't have my disclaimer or anything like on it. So obviously, you guys know what the disclaimer is. Go to my previous videos for the disclaimer. All right. Go to my previous videos for the disclaimer. All right. Let me know if this looks. Cause like I said, I'm using my laptop, man. So this probably looks like shit. And I'm using the hotel Wi-Fi. So I'm just waiting for the hotel Wi-Fi to start fucking up. So I'll end up getting pissed off while this is streaming. Uh, Otherwise, I mean, if it really starts fucking up, I'll come on tomorrow when I'm at my new place. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm moving into Charlotte because they got that new Google Fiber, and I want a piece of that. I want a piece of that. All right. So is it already fucking up? No, it's probably fucking up. Let me see. Is it already fucking up? Hold on. It's probably already fucking up. Let me see. Yeah, if it really start, yeah, if it really starts to get bad, I'll just come back tomorrow. I just wanted to let the people know what was going on. Shout out to everybody in the Discord room and doing things. I'm just in the process of relocating, so I didn't want anybody to think, oh, there's not going to be any more shows or anything like that. No, no, no. I'm just relocating, and everything will be back to normal tomorrow. Just please, please, please forgive me for these last 2 days. Um, I would really, really appreciate your understanding. And again, I apologize for this inconvenience. I know a lot of you guys enjoy my show, and I want to do nothing but make you guys happy. All right. Uh, so I know it looks like shit right now. Decent hotel. I mean, it's not the Hilton where I was yesterday. I fucked up and went to the Hilton yesterday because I'm thinking, okay, if I spent more money, that the internet would be better. No. And then somebody told me, well, if you go to a Hilton, they'll boost up your internet speed. I go downstairs. They said, oh, we don't do the boost here. I'm like, okay, fuck. So you just one 1 megabyte upload. So anyway, I do this little scan thing on my computer, and I find out this Microtel hotel is the fastest right now in Charlotte at 15 megabytes per second. So still slow as fuck, but I'm here and I'm spending the night here, and then tomorrow I'll move into my new place. Yeah, I'm in the hotel now. What's going on, everybody? Shout out to all the new people, old people again. For all you new people, read my disclaimer on my other episodes. Okay, I'm using my laptop, and which is already, because this laptop only has 12 gigs of RAM. My big system has actually has 128 gigs of RAM. So I know, this probably looks like shit right now. I don't know. Yeah. This laptop is a i3 12 gigs of RAM, and my system is an i7 128 gigs of RAM. And again, that's thanks to you people, because you guys remember you donated to that campaign, raising $1,000 for me to get a new motherboard. And thank you to all those people who donated. What's going on? Donzel Essex, what's up, man? So a lot of people, hey, what's going on, Astrid? You said, where am I in Charlotte? Honestly, I don't know. I just I just put in an address, and they said this hotel's got the fastest internet. I'll figure it all out tomorrow at my new place. But um, my place that I'm getting, um, well, if if the landlord ends up being what I think that person is. Um, well, it's actually not a landlord; it's a sublease, and he's got a really nice little condo, and he's subleasing it to me, and it's a really nice little condo. It's really cute, in a cute in a masculine way, if that's even possible. What's up, man? All right, so a lot of people were talking shit about AMLH to me, and look, man, I've been very clear with this stock. I would stay away from it until they got rid of that stop sign. Like honestly, I really would. I would not touch this stock until they got rid of that stop sign. That's how I feel about it. Okay. Let me see here. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. There it is. Mm-mm. Bats, you're saying what's wrong with Greensboro? Nothing's wrong with Greensboro. It's just that when it's time to go visit family, I hate making that drive. And then when it comes to flying out, I hate making that drive. And then, you know, my situation was ending where I was. And that's why I did that real estate show like 2 weeks ago. One of my biggest interests with that real estate show was because I wanted to get myself in a new situation. So there were a lot of things that I learned in that situation where, I decided I like, fuck it, I'm just gonna jump into something new. So sublease my old spot and move in and sublease somebody else's spot. Pretty cool. 704, you're on the air. What's up?
Hey, it's Astrid. I wanted to get you before. I don't know if you're going to have to cut off or what. It's buffering on my end.
So yeah, I figured, man. I figured it looks like shit. I just wanted to come on and speak for a little while until I know eventually it'll just be unwatchable eventually.
Yeah. So you moving to Charlotte?
Yes. Absolutely.
I didn't hear what you said. Oh, I'm in Charlotte. Oh cool, boy, cool. You might have a stalker.
Yes.
just tell your girlfriend, your significant other, I mean well, just you might have a stalker. Right?
Yes, indeed. Astrid, yeah, we'll meet up once I get set up and stuff like that. I know we got some other people around here who are in Charlotte as well, too.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I know we talked via Twitter about AMLH. So yeah. I'm just gonna. I'm already in the red with that. I'm gonna wait and just see what happens.
Okay. All right. So I'm curious though. What's your like bottom price? Because when I look at the stock, I'm looking at a stock that's already kind of broken support. Where's your end all here?
Well, I want this stop sign back up, and then I really want to see what's going to happen. I feel that he's throwing out so many nuggets out there. Their potential partnerships, potential, the movie that he has out and things like that. And I really still feel that there's just so much potential here, and that this stop sign has just created a big, a huge, bump in the road. But that's why I called today. I called OTC today because I said, you know what, that's enough. I just want to hear from them what they say, and then I'll go from there. So I think I posted, I couldn't post a whole lot because Twitter only allows you to post so many characters, but the lady I spoke with, she was in the corporate department. She said the paperwork has been submitted. The company is in communication with them often. And she said, once the paperwork gets submitted, it then gets reviewed. But the review process, it could take 2 days, it could take a week or more. It really just depends on that company. Some companies, the review process will only take 2 days. Some will take weeks. It just all depends. And with this one having gone through a reverse merger, it could be why it's going to take a little bit longer. So to me, that made sense to me. I'm in the legal field. I know that when I send something to the court, I'm something that should take 2 days, sometimes takes 3 weeks. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, why is this taking so long? Well, there's so many different reasons. The person who was working on it was out. Okay, it's more involved than it should have been. There's an error here, so we had to go and, they had to return some, so there, I feel a plethora of things. So that's where I'm at with it. I got in at 27.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm down a little bit. I'm disappointed because I feel that there is a lot of potential, and I know everyone says don't trade. What is it? Trade the ticker, not the company. And I hear that, but still, I have to look at the fact. Okay, here's the CEO that, for the first time that I've seen since I've been doing this, is at least out there, is at least kind of making himself known, and yeah, I've had some doubts. Okay, is this a pump and dump? Like, what the heck is going on with this? So that's why I decided to skip the gym today and just get on the phone and call. So now I just sit back and I'm going to wait, because I was literally looking at OTC every single morning. When he's posted that video 6 days ago saying that he submitted the paperwork, I honestly expected everything to be all good the next day. But that was just based off of my ignorance of knowing how the OTC works. I don't know. So again, that's why I called. So yeah, that's where I stand, on that one. But I need to talk to you about COTE. Did you see that monster today?
Oh yeah, I saw it, but man,
Oh,
my internet just was so, like, I mean, you guys are seeing what I'm going through right now, so I didn't
yeah.
even want to risk putting in a trade. So I mean, hey, these happen, 3, 4 times a month, so I just had to let it go. But man, I know a lot of people made a killing on that
Wow.
today.
Well, shout out to Erin. I don't know if she's here in the chat room. She alerted me to that one, but it was, like around 5 o'clock or so, where we were just talking about it. And I mean, I looked at the chart and it was flat up until today. And I guess they had some news, that came out today. So I'm going to probably look at that one. I know, so it went up 600% today. Pretty sure there's going to be a huge pullback tomorrow, right? Because it was up so high.
Oh, maybe, or what could
Maybe.
happen is that all the buying energy that was created today is actually going to create a new wind behind the stock, and tomorrow you might see new buyers coming into the play.
Hmm. So would you say that, tomorrow would be still a good opportunity to wait, or
It
because it may
could.
be in the
It could.
green?
It all depends on how the first 30, 40 minutes start out. I mean, if you're seeing
Okay.
buying energy in the morning and it's strong volume, bid and ask are pretty tight.
Hmm.
Yeah, this could keep going. You never know.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, and it looks like I started doing some due diligence, this evening. The CEO has some credentials, behind him. He's received some awards, letter from George Bush back in 2008, and some other things. So this is the first I have heard of this company, so don't really know much about it. And then the other one, FILM, that's a shout out to Bats. He turned me on to that one. So just looking at that one,
Now, what's the ticker to this
as
one again, Astrid?
film,
Okay. Okay.
FILM.
Okay.
And I feel I made another rookie mistake with this one. It's that I got in on the green, and I think I get so anxious sometimes with these when they're up, thinking I can jump in on that momentum and go along for the run. So it dropped to 444.
Mm-hmm.
So they had some news that came out yesterday about a new film that is in the works. I mean, this is definitely going to be a swing trade as well as COTE. So
Yeah.
I'm just hoping that it goes up. But that's, shout out to him.
Of course.
We spoke last night, and he went over the chart with me and stuff like that, so I could understand, what was going on with it. And at one point, it made it to double 30
Okay.
sometime last month. So those are what I'm looking at right now.
Hmm.
All right.
All right. Well, appreciate it, Astrid.
Okay.
And by the
Yeah.
way, don't let those people on Twitter, misguide you, because I think some of those people
Right.
are they
Oh
have
yeah.
other interests aside. So just stay level headed
Right. Oh
about
yeah.
this,
I
and
know.
don't get carried away.
Right, right. Yep. Like I said, eyes wide open, but I just want to, that's why I'm asking my questions and just, paying attention. I will say that if it ends up just being a flop, I would be disappointed because, it seems like a brother finally, just out there trying to do something
Yeah.
and with all the negativity and horrible stuff going on in the world, I just always look for some good.
Yes.
So hey. But yeah, eyes are open, and I'll just keep asking you guys my questions.
Appreciate it. Thank
All
you.
right, so let me know when you're in Charlotte. I'm in Huntersville, but let me know
We'll do. We'll do.
when you're
Thank
off.
you.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye. All right. So everybody's saying it looks like shit. Okay. It keeps buffering. Look, as I said, I'm in the hotel room. I'll be at my place tomorrow. Um, I'll be there, and it'll be a lot better than this. I just kind of wanted to pop my head in and just let you guys know everything is okay. And doing this move to Charlotte, my car's packed with shit. So I know the internet looks like shit right now. So everybody go to the Discord room. I know there'll be leaders in there ready to take on the day and whatever you guys have to talk about. I just kind of wanted to let you guys know what was going on, and we got some really good things planned for the future. But again, everything's cool with the show. I'm not disappearing anywhere or anything like that. I'm just in the process of relocation, and everything's going to get together, tomorrow. All right. Mad, you said move to Discord audio. I don't know. It might if it's just this bad just now, it could even be worse on that. You said the call made the buffering worse. Are you saying it's better now without the call? You saying it's better without the call? Which is low bandwidth. So move to the Discord audio for. All right, okay. I can join y'all in there. I mean, that's no problem. I just feel like the Discord room is for you guys. That's the only thing. I just feel like that's for you guys. A little better, but still lag. No, it's not. Still choppy. Okay. All right. Like I said, everybody go to the Discord room. Somebody post a link to the Discord room. Like I said, I don't even. I'm gonna have to go through my email to even dig out that link to it. But for the people who don't have it, please somebody post a link to the Discord room in the chat. Because I know I don't have it on this laptop. This laptop is like bare bones. It's just I keep it as clean as I can. I mean, no bookmarks, nothing. It's basically for like internet and sending emails when I'm on the road. All right, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, Chase. All right. Let me see. Somebody post that link, please, to the Discord room. Yeah, I really don't have it. I'm looking through what little bookmarks this computer has, and it does not have it. All right, folks, I'm out of here because I know this internet cannot handle it. Look at it. I'm killing this internet, bro. I'm killing this internet. All right, let me get out of here, folks. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Take care.